Hi, I'm Nikki Spiller, and I'm the Director of Harbor Watch here at Earth Place. Welcome to Cocktails and Clams. We're so happy to have you here tonight. At Harbor Watch, our mission is to improve water quality and ecosystem health throughout Connecticut. We do this through a variety of research projects, working in rivers, on land, and in salt marsh. Over the last 10 years, our research has led to the identification of over 30 sewage pollution sources. By rectifying this situation, we have improved water quality in Long Island Sound, helped the shellfishing industry, and made shellfish safer for consumption.
This is Annie. We've had her for 30 years and she's done us really well. We've got a lot of dry rot and holes in the roof, the paint won't really stick, and her stern's falling off. It's not really a great place to have kids out on the water.
Bottom line is, we need a new boat. Thanks so much to Norm Bloom and Cops Island Oysters for lending us a boat for the last 2 years, but we really need our own research vessel. Our goal is to raise $60,000 to purchase a new boat, and any support would be greatly appreciated. Your donation would go a long way to helping us reach our goal.